Tom and Jerry at the Sauron Café. One sunny morning, Tom the cat got a new job as a waiter at Sauron Café. He wore a tiny bow tie and carried a tray full of coffee cups. Everything was peaceful until Jerry popped out from a cookie jar. Jerry wanted just one piece of cheesecake, but Tom spotted him and shouted, "Not in my cafe!" The chase began. Tom slipped on spilled coffee, Jerry zoomed through sugar bowls, and cups crashed everywhere. Customers laughed instead of getting angry. It was the funniest cafe show ever. At the end, Jerry bowed and squeaked, "Namaste," to the guests, stealing the cheesecake as his reward. Tom sighed, covered in whipped cream, and the cafe echoed with laughter. Even in a chase, a little sweetness can make everyone smile.